You said there's a third person drawing too?
Yeah, him too. You guys are all three drawing right here.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I know who you are. You're the guy.
I'm the window painter.
Yeah.
You're all drawing.
I'm the doodler. I don't draw.
Wow.
I'm bored, so
That's an unusual thing to have three people drawing
yeah.
all at once.
Yeah, it's kind of good vision.
I don't think I've ever seen anybody else drawing while I was drawing.
I draw in restaurants because of the coffee and all that.
What's that?
I draw in here because I drink coffee all day.
Yeah.
And I can't pinstripe because the paint stinks.
Oh, the one shot, yeah?
Yeah. Well, you know about one shot, right on.
Yeah, I'm a window painter.
Oh, okay, no.
I'm getting ready to paint their window.
Oh, yeah, pinstriper and custom flames and stuff like that.
Oh, wow.
Starting to get established up here, but it's taking a while.
Yeah.
It's kind of dried up after COVID.
Where you from?
I'm from Oakland.
Oh, wow.
San Leandro, actually, but next to Oakland. Did a bunch of stuff down there. Got an opportunity to move up here.
That's cool.
Digging the place. And
That's cool. Cool zombie.
fun.
Yeah.